Stell of SB19 is getting emotional every time the topic is about his family, his struggles, and hardships for the better future? According to Stell, in the release of their song titled Go Up, he realized that he will not continue to being part again of SB19, but his family is the reason why he really need pursue for their dream or for his dream. He's getting sentimental and emotional about this. Let's watch this.
I know you told your...
After nung boom na nung Go Up, nagkaroon ako ng pakiramdam na parang hindi ito para sa akin. So I talked to the group and sabi ko, guys, ayoko na. Pag binabalikan ko talaga yung dati, sobrang daming challenges talaga. Somehow traumatizing. And growing up, parang nakita ko yung kaya ng parents ko. I accepted it ng buong buo na yun lang yung kaya namin. So, parang growing up, nagkaroon ako ng goal sa sarili ko na bilang panganay dapat ako yung maging way para makaahon kami sa kung nasan kami. Kasi dati talaga sobrang nandun kami sa iniisip na namin kung ano yung kakainin namin everyday. Dumating din sa point na natatakot kami magkasakit kasi pag nagkasakit kami, wala talaga kaming pampagamot or pampa-hospital. Meron naman ako tita sa Japan na talagang buong buhay namin siya yung naging breadwinner, siya yung naging provider ng family. Wala akong sapat na pangsuporta sa sarili ko. So kahit gusto ko siyang gawin, hindi ko siya kayang gawin. Sobrang hina ko pa that time. Hindi ko alam kung kanino pa ako lalapit. Hindi ko alam kung kanino pa ako kukuha ng lakas ng loob. Yung tiwala ko kay God na parang someday, dadating din yung time